Hello, welcome to my first project on YouTube. Today I'm going to be making Ichigo's katana from Bleach using my longer LK4 3D printer. Anyway, it's one of his coolest katanas and I thought, you know what, I'll try to make it. Hope you enjoyed the video. The model was finished, but the model wouldn't fit my printer, so I had to split it into multiple pieces. Anyway, here's a tutorial on how I did that. I hovered over the knife tool and I went to bisect. Then I select all the vertices and click and drag and you get a perfect cut line. Then you press fill and you clear enter and you get a separate piece. Anyway, it's time to start printing. The model was finished printing and it looked great. If you guys were wondering how I got the pieces together, I used a 3D pen to meld it together. The finished paint job looked pretty great. It looked exactly how I imagined it. Anyway, on to the next part. The first handle that I printed for this katana was really bad, so yeah, I'm just not gonna use it. And I'm gonna print a new one. If you guys are wondering how I got super smooth finish, I used XCC 3D on the katana, which is like resin. Anyway, after I painted the hilt, it was done. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Anyway, hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. See ya.